In the lively toy town, Excavaroo, the daring digger, gathered his merry band of helicopter buddies: Turbo Robbie, the speedy red copter; Sassy Sally, the stylish blue chopper; and Bendy Benny, the twisty green gyrocopter. Their mission? To track down a lost toy hidden in the neighbour's garden, guarded by Biscuit, the mischievous pup. Under the bright sun, Excavaroo donned his trusty safety helmet, while Turbo Robbie revved his engines with a vroom vroom, and Sassy Sally twirled her blades like a graceful dancer. Meanwhile, Bendy Benny spun in circles, pretending to be a tornado. As they prepared for takeoff, Excavaroo turned to Turbo Robbie and asked, "Hey, Turbo Robbie, how do you spin faster than a spinning top?" Turbo Robbie chuckled and replied, "Oh, Excavaroo, it's all in the turbo boosters. They're like magic engines that make me zoom zoom like a shooting star." Next, Excavaroo turned to Sassy Sally and inquired, "Sassy Sally, why are your blades so fancy?" Sassy Sally giggled and answered, "Well, Excavaroo, my blades are like the twirling ribbons of a fancy dancer. They help me glide through the air with elegance and grace." Finally, Excavaroo looked at Bendy Benny and laughed. "Bendy Benny, how do you twist and turn like a silly noodle?" Bendy Benny grinned and replied, "Oh, Excavaroo, it's my bendy body. I can twist and twirl like a wiggly worm, making me the goofiest gyrocopter in town." With their questions answered and giggles shared, Excavaroo and his helicopter pals revved their engines with excitement and took off into the sky. They soared over the town, counting 1 tall building, 2 fluffy clouds, 3 colourful kites, and 4 buzzing bees along the way. Soon, they reached the neighbour's garden, where Biscuit stood guard with a wagging tail and floppy ears. But with Turbo Robbie zooming around, Sassy Sally fluttering gracefully, and Bendy Benny wobbling like a jelly, they distracted Biscuit long enough for Excavaroo to sneak in and find the lost toy. With the toy safely in hand, Excavaroo and his helicopter friends zipped back to safety, dodging obstacles like bouncing balls and rolling hoops along the way. They landed with a triumphant whoosh and cheered their successful mission. Excavaroo and his pals celebrated with high fives and belly laughs, knowing that teamwork and bravery had saved the day once again. And as they tucked the lost toy safely back into its rightful place, they knew that no adventure was too challenging when they were together.